Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload IGTV video for your Instagram account step by step. First, go to IGTV app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner. Select a video you want to share. You can add filter to change its color. And you can just adjust the color's intensity as well. If you want to cut some part of the video, tap on Trim section. You can adjust the video's length here. Then tap on the next button. You can add caption, tag people, and add a location before you share it. Then tap on Share button. Thus, the process of uploading IGTV video for your Instagram account has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.